Good morning, friends. We have learned about what a seed is, and we know that we can find seeds inside of things like fruits. So you guys looked at a few fruits and what the seeds inside of them look like, and you guys also learned about what a seed can do if you plant it in soil or if you put it in cotton and give it water. So we know what a seed is. We know that seeds can be planted and they can grow things. So a seed can turn into a plant or a fruit. So what we're going to do today, now that we know what a seed is and where they come from, we are going to learn how seeds travel. So we see a picture of a kid looking at a garden with some plants in it. It says, how can we make sure plants have the space they need? Get rid of weeds. Weeds are unwanted plants. Now I want you guys to think for a minute. If you've been outside, maybe you've helped someone work in a garden or work in the yard, you guys probably know what weeds are. How do weeds get into gardens? So here's a picture of an example of a weed. Most weeds start as seeds. Seeds come from flowers. First, the seeds get ripe. Then they are ready to travel. Think about these weeds. You have probably seen these before, and you've probably even picked them and tried to blow all the little white things off of them. So think about a time when you have seen these weeds before. Some seeds glide or spin in air. They might land far away. If they land on moist soil, they can grow. So some friends like to call these helicopter seeds. These are seeds that fall off of trees and they spin and they fly far away. And what can happen is if they land into moist, wet soil, they can grow a new plant. Here is a picture of a bear covered in the seeds from those dandelion weeds. Some seeds are carried by animals. These seeds have little hooks. The hooks can hold on to animals' fur. The seeds go where the animal goes. So think about how a bear can help seeds travel and make new plants. Some seeds can even be carried by you. They can stick to your sweater or shoes. Some seeds will fall off. When they land on moist soil, they can sprout and grow. So here's some examples and pictures of seeds that you can help travel. They stick to you. Birds and squirrels can move seeds too. Birds eat berries and fly away. There are seeds inside the berries. The seeds pass through the birds. Now the seeds are in a new place. Here is a picture of a squirrel eating a nut. Squirrels eat seeds too. They hide acorns to eat during winter. Lost and forgotten acorns can grow into oak trees. Seeds travel in many ways. Now, can you tell how weeds get into gardens? Let's think about how seeds travel. Today for your assignment, I want you to pick one of these questions and I want you to answer it with your pencil and paper and upload a picture of your work. So the questions are, and you just have to pick one of them. How do seeds travel in air? How do seeds with hooks travel? How do birds move seeds? How do squirrels move seeds? So choose one of these questions that you remember reading about that you think you can answer very well, and I want you to write a sentence and upload a picture of your work. I will give you guys on the next slide examples of how to start answering these questions.